To use the air gestures on a Realme Note 60, first let's open our settings. Then we need to navigate to special features, and here go for air gestures. And there's 3 of them. So first one is for the apps like a YouTube. If it finally allows me to show it, okay. We can skip our videos by swiping our hand like this in front of the camera, and all of them work with your front camera right here, so keep that in your mind. Also, to use your in-app gestures, you need to activate them below right here with that switch. Next is the answer calls. So first you will need to put your hand like this in front of the camera, then you can answer a call by just swiping up like this. Next is mute calls, so you will need to hold your entire hand like that in front of the camera to mute the call that is incoming. And that is all of the air gestures that you can use on this device.